Aylesbury Vale District Council, an award-winning council for the use of e-government and internet-based technologies, needed to simplify administration, effectively do more with less resources. In addition, they needed to reduce the cost of ownership of the technology that was employed at the council. So our web technology and a selection of our modules based on document and content management systems deliver accountable e-government for the public benefit. Steve Jones of Web Labs went to visit AVDC, Aylesbury Vale District Council, to find out more.
Good morning, Alan. When did you first start working with Web Labs?
In late 2007, we went for tender for the replacement of our website, the internet, intranet, our committees and minute systems, and also looking at e-recruitment as well. We wanted to replace a range of out-of-date systems that were costing us a lot of money. We wanted to reduce the need for technical input from our end users in order to manage the content, and we really wanted to reduce the system cost by consolidating a number of old systems. The result was the selection of Web Labs. We had a series of meetings with Web Labs, and we realised that they could offer us a competitive price. The product was functionally rich, and the range of products that they incorporated within their core system meant that we could add value to the authority as well as reducing costs at the same time.
So, when did the website go live, and what other products have been implemented?
The web and the committee minutes and agenda system went live on time in March 2008. Since then, we've implemented a range of other systems which enrich the customer's experience when they're dealing with the council. For example, we've implemented the SMS text messaging system in the waste collection, parking and leisure areas. We've implemented the booking system, which enables people to book leisure activities online, and we've also integrated the e-form system with our e-payments and with our GI system to again improve the customer experience when interacting with the council. So overall, we've been very pleased with the way in which the implementations have gone.
So how have you found working with Web Labs?
It's been a very positive experience. I think apart from the wide breadth of functionality that the Web Lab systems offer, the key strength I think that sets them apart from a lot of other suppliers is the way in which they make sure that the solution fits the requirements rather than the requirements having to fit the solution.
Can you give an example of where this has worked in practice?
Well, I think it's been well demonstrated in the implementation of the committee minutes and agendas module, and more recently in the EDMS systems in the areas such as HR, finance and building control. The developers spent a lot of time understanding the requirements of our users, and in many cases that just meant configuring the system in order to meet the needs, but in other areas it meant that they actually modified the system and updated the core product in order to make sure that our needs were met by the basic system. I think they really do. They take the approach that the best people to define functionality are the users of the system, and that wherever possible they actually then incorporate the requirements of the users into core functionality, so that we're not looking at customisations to the system.
So how would you sum up your Aylesbury Vale's working relationship with Web Labs?
It's been a very positive working relationship. We really like the Web Labs business model. Over the past 3 years we found them to be very approachable. They're flexible, they knowledge about the ways in which councils work. In fact, they offer us a one-stop shop, which has significantly reduced our total cost of ownership for a range of systems. We've been particularly impressed with the high level of technical expertise, and overall we've really been impressed. We think it's been a very positive relationship which has benefited both organisations.
Well, Alan, thanks for taking time out of your busy schedule and your support with this project.
Well, thank you. I think, as I said, we've been very happy with the relationship with Web Labs, and we're looking forward to continuing that over many years.